Good evening, good morning, or good afternoon. How are you, everyone? A distinguished guests, respected colleagues, and aspiring professionals from around the world. It is with immense pride and excitement that I welcome you all to the official launch of the Global Career Coaching Program, a transformative initiated powered by WLF. Today marks not just the beginning of a program, but the beginning of countless journeys towards purpose, growth, and global impact. At WLF, we believe that talent knows no borders and potential is universal. But unlocking that potential requires guidance, opportunity, and the right tools. That's why we have created this program to bridge the gap between ambition and achievement, between local challenges and global possibilities. This initiative is more than a coaching platform. It is a global movement to empower individuals with the clarity, confidence, and competence to thrive in today's dynamic career landscape. Whether you are a student navigating your first steps, a mid career professional seeking reinvention, or a leader aiming to scale new heights, this program is designed to you. Our coaches are seasoned experts from diverse industries and regions, bringing not only knowledge but empathy, insight, and real world experience. Though personalized guidance, strategic frameworks, and a global network of support, we aim to help you chart a career path that is not only successful but meaningful. To our partners, mentors, and contributors, Destination Tours and Travels India, European Tourism and Events Training Academy, Malta, Marcelino Munoz Foundation, Mexico, Gandhi Mandela Foundation, Latin America, WLF Directorate of Human Rights, Mexico. Thank you for your unwavering support and belief in this vision. To our participants, you are the reason we built this. Your dreams matter. Your growth matters. And starting today, you are part of a global community that believes in your potential. To our partners, mentors, and contributors, thank you for your unwavering support and belief in this vision. Your commitment to shaping the future of work and talent is what makes this possible. So, let us begin this journey with purpose. Let us launch this program with conviction and let us build a future where every individual, regardless of geography, has the opportunity to rise, lead, and thrive. Welcome to the Global Career Coaching Program, to WLF Vision for a Better Tomorrow. Thank you. Now, so this is the launch. We are actually starting today. Here is what we're going to share it with the details about the program. This is going to be directly from the global experts for the next 3 months. It's a free program for all the categories, and this is going to be certified for all the team who will be completing this program. And here is the program highlights. We have 13 live masterclasses by 9 WLF career coaches starting from today until December 28th of 2025. And every Sunday, 7 p.m. India Standard Time, which is IST. That's what we will be starting up the session 7 to 8. This is going to be 1 hour session. And this is 100% free. And this is going to get a certification for each and every individual who are being participated in this particular program. And thank you and very much appreciated for taking this initiative for getting into this program. Now, these are all the topics which we are going to cover up within all this session, the 13th session. The entrepreneurship in tourism management and leadership careers, medical tourism and emerging healthcare frontier, tourism and hospitality tech trends, business communication skills for career success, leading with vision, entrepreneurship tools, and beyond. Leadership skills for global careers, the art and science of leadership, redefining leadership, women's expectation and the future of career growth, alternative career paths in tourism, education and strategic leadership for emerging entrepreneurs, the new tourist drivers of travel motivation, strategic marketing, from ideas to legacy, integrating leadership, education, and entrepreneurship by all the 9 career coaches from WLF. Now, let me introduce the beautiful, the intelligent Miss Moumita Chakraborty. It is my privilege to introduce Miss Moumita Chakraborty, a visionary leader and the driving force behind the Global Career Coaching Program. She is the founder and chairperson of WLF, World's Leader Foundation, and founder and CEO of Destination Tours and Travels, recognized with the Young Achiever of the Year 2022 and National Business Leadership Award 2019. Ms. Chakraborty is a multifaceted personality, entrepreneur, psychotherapist, humanitarian, travel blogger, mental health mentor, and guest lecturer. She also serves as the National President of Youth and Community Empowerment Council, WICCI. Her dedication to empowering youth and communities is deeply rooted in her admiration for Ma Saraswati, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, and Sri Ratan Tata. Her journey is a testament to excellence, resilience, and purpose. Today, we are honored to be guided by her vision and inspired by her leadership. Please join me in warmly welcoming Ms. Moumita Chakraborty. Please welcome. Over to you, ma'am.
Hello, thank you so much, Jeevita. Good evening to one and all present here. It's an immense honor for me to be representing and meeting all of you today on 5th of October 2025 and inaugurating the WLF Global Career Coaching Program. This initiative has been very close to my heart, and we have been working on this project since quite a long time now. And I'm really thankful to our beautiful, excellently talented host, Ms. Jeevita Priya, who is heading this, along with 4 other hosts, and I will be receiving support from 8 other global career coaches who will be joining us from different parts of the world and to lead and to guide all of you in your career journey. This program was initiated with a vision about knowledge. I have always believed that knowledge is the ocean, and as much as we know, it just becomes like a drop of water in that particular ocean. And as much as we share knowledge, it gets on multiplied. So here we are not only to give you 13 master classes, but also to learn from all of you, because we represent different cultures, we come from different countries, and we have so many things to share, lead together with purpose, integrity, and also grow together. WLF, as it stands for World Leaders Foundation, was founded last year. And we have met so many beautiful souls from all over the world. And I'm extremely thankful to each one of you for being a part and showing such positive response in the first career coaching program, which we are beginning from today. It is an immense joy for me and also an honor to receive such huge support from all across the world. Different countries like Croatia, Switzerland, Mexico, Malta, Portugal have all extended their support to us. And with the blessings of Divine Ma Saraswati, as I believe in, let us begin today's journey with all of your support. Blessings. Is my screen visible to everybody? Can I have a thumbs up from each one of you, please? Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm sharing my screen from the laptop, so it might look like I'm not looking into my camera. So please pardon me for that, everybody. So today's masterclass is on the topic, entrepreneurship in tourism management and leadership careers. The first thing is because I'm an entrepreneur. Second thing, it is on tourism management because I have the background of having a travel company called Destination Tours and Travels, and I come from the same sector, tourism and travel management, and leadership because we are representing World Leaders Foundation. So, it is an intermingled part of the entire topic, and we are beginning this so that you all get a gist of what we are coming up with in the next 12 masterclasses. Today is masterclass number 1. My name is Momita. So, warm greetings to all of you. Today's session is about exploring the careers in tourism, entrepreneurship, as well as leadership. As you can see on your screens, I just gave you a gist about what I am and what I am into. My name is Momita Chakraborty. I am an entrepreneur, founder and CEO of Destination Tours and Travels, a travel company. It deals in all kinds of travel related services, starting from visa to leisure group tours, passport assistance, and all kinds of travel related services. Destination started in the year 2018 and it is running successfully with all of your blessings and support. Then I am also associated with the wonderful World Leaders Foundation, for whom you have joined today's masterclass. It is an initiative by World Leaders Foundation, and it is a global online community where people from all over the world come together to make the world a better place for all. And lastly, but not the least, I'm representing Women's Indian Chamber of Commerce's Youth and Community Empowerment Council, which is a national sector council, as the national president of India. My website credentials are in front of your screens. It is www.momitaofficial.com. So in case if any of you wants to reach out to me, please feel free to reach out to me via my LinkedIn profile or via the website. You can get connected to me over email as well. So let's take the program forward. Today's context circulates around tourism and hospitality, because tourism and hospitality is one of the fastest growing industries globally. We all know that there are many countries in the world who completely is focused on tourism. For example, countries like Dubai has been one of the most economically forwarded countries because they are run by tourism and hospitality. It supports over 300 million jobs worldwide. Tourism drives culture, economy, as well as global exchange. And there are different kinds of tourism. We get to see a lot of leisure tourism these days, but tourism is not confined to only leisure tourism. We have different kinds of tourism like medical tourism, we have corporate tourism, we have MICE, we are also connected to hospitality like aviation, foreign embassies, roadways, railways, cruises, etc. So it is a 300 million jobs providing sector worldwide. And when it comes to entrepreneurship and leadership, these are shaping the future of tourism. We see so many people building their career paths through entrepreneurship and leadership in tourism and travel management. We also have different wings which are focusing on tourism, hospitality, aviation, entrepreneurship, and we see UNESCO, we see UN Women focusing on all these major topics. And what brings them all together is education. Education plays a pivotal role in the greater context in merging all of them under one roof. We have come here in the WLF Career Coaching Program, and it is open for all because we believe that when we come together, we can make the world a better place for all. And this career coaching program is just a point where we start leading as individuals. If even one of us today starts leading and we can generate employment, I think it can help build a robust career opportunity for everybody, and we can be an individual who is confident, who can generate employment, at the same time lead with integrity, purpose, honesty, and dignity globally. Now, when we talk about entrepreneurship in tourism specifically, it is about creating a business in travel. For as I have created a business in travel company, that is Destination Tours and Travels. Travel business is very scattered and also globally reachable, and it is also a platform which connects people from one part of the world to other part of the world. We do cross country collaboration. For example, I am an entrepreneur sitting here in India and I want to promote tourism to or tourism of Mexico, maybe of Tanzania, or maybe South Africa, or maybe I want to promote Nepal as a destination, Vietnam as a destination. Now, what I do, I get in touch with the travel company there and we say, let us come together and promote each other's tourism, because when we promote tourism, it is not about promoting the business, it is also about promoting the culture, it is about knowing what the other cultures hold behind, and we get to learn so many things. It is also about culinary tourism. We get to know about what kind of food they eat, how safe that particular country is, how different we are, and how beautifully we can communicate and connect with each other and learn so many things we are not aware of till now. We have so many opportunities in sustainable tourism, which is becoming a global thing for all of us today, because everybody is now focusing on sustainability. So sustainable tourism, where we follow that tourism is not only intangible, it is also tangible, where we collaborate in different ways. We support ecotourism. There are different kinds of tourism opportunities like cultural experiences, collaborations on both city, global, village, national, international level. And not only on a private basis, when it comes to entrepreneurship, we can also merge with different organizations of PSUs, governmental organizations, NGOs, and private giants. And emergence of tech-driven solutions like apps, AI, virtual reality, tours, and digital bookings have become very common these days. There are giant companies like Make My Trip, GoIBiBo in India, which are driving millions every single day through tech-driven travel solutions. Now, booking a trip is just a click away. We have virtual reality tourism, where you just go to a particular website. You are unable to visit that particular country due to your economical background, like backlifts, but you get to see that particular destination at the click of your finger. You just search that particular destination's name. For example, I want to visit Dubai. Click on that particular website and you can literally get a virtual tour of that particular destination. So tech is taking over everything, including entrepreneurship in tourism. Now, as WLF Career Coaching Program is focusing on youth, students, as well as leaders who have participated and registered for this career coaching program, I want to tell all of you why youth should consider entrepreneurship, creativity, independence, and global outreach. It is because there are very less people who are driven and who have that amount of courage where you wish to lead the world. If today all of you have joined, that is the first step towards your belief in yourself, that I am capable of leading. I am capable to make the world a better place, and I am capable to lead thousands of people and help everybody around us to make it more developed, to make everybody take someone in a place where which makes the world a more beautiful, more sustainable for everybody. Leadership in tourism. There are different leadership roles. For example, you can take over destination management, travel startups, you can start travel startup companies, policy and development, tourism consultancy, as well as cross-border collaborations. In WLF, we have 50 plus directorates, and tourism and hospitality is one of the directorates. Now, how do we do cross-border collaborations? As I mentioned, for example, you want to start a virtual reality travel organization or a company, you can definitely collaborate on cross-border collaboration. For example, you tell a Tanzanian person that please promote India, and I want to promote Tanzania, and you promote each destination with each other. Show them that okay, this is my country, this my country has to offer. We are extremely good and cultural dances, we have festivals which we will want to share with the world. We want to show what kind of food we eat and what kind of beautiful destinations, landscapes we have in our country, and we want people to visit my country and experience our culture. We love people. That's how you start your leadership role in tourism. So the core skills which are required is a vision, seeing opportunities before others. There are a lot of travel companies out there, but when I started my journey in tourism, there were very less people who were actually looking forward to study this particular subject. And previously, I come from a small town from the easternmost part of my country, India, where there were not many people who knew that there is a subject called tourism and travel management. So I had to travel all the way to the southern part of India to take this degree called MTTM, that is Masters in Tourism and Travel Management, which is currently known as MBA in Tourism. Then I came to know that it is particularly a subject which opens doors to so many other sectors. You can be a part of cruise, you can be a part of foreign embassy, you can be a part of railways, roadways, tourism, you can be a part of aviation, you can be a part of entrepreneurship, you can be a part of so many other things that are interconnected through tourism and hospitality, and you can do so much together. You can even be an YouTuber. There are a lot of travel vloggers out there who are earning lakhs of rupees every single day. They visit different places, they visit different countries, show how they feel about that particular country and what that country or that region has to offer, and they're leading in that particular way. Adaptability is the second thing, that is thriving in changing environments. As I mentioned about the travel vlogging part, there are people who travel and they, for example, come from a completely different culture and background, and they visit this particular country called India, for example. I come from maybe Poland or maybe USA, and I am not accustomed to spicy food. I visit India because I want to taste the street level food and culture of India, and want to experience it, and I go there. So that teaches you, that gives you a different kind of experience when you visit that particular country. It's not only about meeting those different kinds of people of different color, race, religion, or maybe food, but you also get to know the ground reality. So adaptability is very important. Strategic thinking. For example, you might not always feel good about visiting a particular country and leading because you are going there as a solo traveler. You might face a lot of thinking. So strategic thinking comes a long way in making long-term impactful decisions. Then people first leadership is very important. Go to a particular destination, but respect those people's culture and policies, and also their inner feelings, that okay, inspire your people and community that this is what I have to offer, and take their culture and roots into your inner way and take that alongside you and promote that particular thing. Now, what is a global youth perspective? Now is the best time for youth to start your career in tourism, leadership, and making education a tool for this. Today, we are sitting here because we believe that education can make a difference. And most of you who have joined this program, You know that we are empowering the next generation of global leaders who are majorly focusing in tourism, hospitality, education, and leadership. Now, there are multiple digital tools like Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, which enable global collaboration and cross-cultural learning. Today, why we are gathered here is only because of these digital tools, right? We might have gotten to see this particular poster about WLF career coaching program on one of our LinkedIn profiles, maybe on YouTube, maybe or through a coach who have shared the same on their WhatsApp status. So digital tools have become very important now. Even this giant social media apps like Instagram and YouTube pay you to grow and connect with global people through your perspective, through your vision. And it also helps you to learn through many things through cross cultural learning. Tourism also provides opportunities for global influence and cultural impact, as I have already mentioned previously. Youth leaders can shape the future by starting careers in these fields by curating programs. For example, WLF Career Coaching program is one of the smallest, program which we have started to bring together each one of you and leading together with purpose. And also we can innovate so many things together. So I welcome all of your ideas and let us innovate something together so that we can not only just be a part of this career coaching program and attend this 13 master classes, but also let us by the end of this master classes bring together innovative ideas. We collaborate and connect, and we never know what big we can do together, right? So today's key takeaways would be: tourism is a career opportunity, innovation, and cultural impact. Entrepreneurship in tourism is about creating meaningful experiences, not just businesses. Leadership in tourism means inspiring people and shaping cultures. Education is the powerhouse which proves and paves the way of the entire thing called tourism, entrepreneurship, and leadership. And the future belongs to the youth driven innovation and leadership in tourism, hospitality, and everything related to this sector. So, before I conclude, this is my message to all of you. Leadership in tourism begins with a vision, but thrives with empathy and innovation. Thank you for being a part of the inaugural session. Stay engaged throughout the WLF Global Career Coaching Program. Let's make the world a better place for all together. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. That was a great session. I hope everyone definitely would have been enjoyed for sure. And once again, I just wanted to quote what Ms. Maumita was just mentioned. Let's make the world a better place for all together. So I would like that's a very good quote, ma'am. So I wanted to reiterate that. So yeah, over to the forum. So I would like to just quickly let me share my screen. Just allow me a couple of minutes there. We are into the Q&A session right now. So if you have any questions, please shoot it out to Ms. Maumita. She is available and she can able to address whatever the questions you have.
Thank you so much for joining today's session. I'm extremely honored and grateful to all of you. Looking forward to meet more people in the next master classes because it was an inaugural session and also my topic was small. I'll keep on coming on the upcoming classes and please go ahead with all of your questions. I'll be happy to respond. Thank you.
Yeah, hi,
Thank you,
Momita.
ma'am.
This is Manoj. I work in a fintech firm.
I hope that answered your question. Thank you.
Thank you, Manoj. And that was a wonderful question. And Ms. Prerna has raised a question. She just posted a question. Okay, so Mr. Lakshmi Narayanan Narsimhan, sorry about that. So how in entrepreneurship we can bring innovative idea if we don't have any idea as of now? Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Thanks for that question, Mr. Lakshmi Narasimhan. And okay, do we have any other question? Yes. Min Yun, she actually raised another question. What are the qualities needed to become an entrepreneur? Can you give us three major factors and how to master those qualities? OG ma'am. Do we have any other questions on board? Just unmute yourself and you can talk, or you can post your questions in the comment box or in the chat box.
Please go ahead.
Mr. Manjunath, ma'am, over to his question. What will be the most difficult moment in our startup journey initially? There is one more question from Lakshmi Narasimhan. Mr. Lakshmi Narasimhan, once again, for that wonderful question. And do we have any other questions? We are coming to the end of the session. And once again, yeah, and here we are. Thank you, everyone. And on behalf of the leaders, the World's Leader Foundation, we extend our deepest gratitude to everyone who made the launch of the Global Career Coaching Program a resounding success. To our esteemed founder and chairperson, Ms. Moumita Chakraborty, your vision, leadership, and unwavering commitment to empowering global talent continue to inspire us all. Thank you for creating a platform that nurtures purpose, confidence, and growth. To our dedicated coaches, mentors, and partners, your expertise and generosity are the pillars of this initiative. Your guidance will shape countless careers and lives. To our participants from around the world, thank you for showing up with curiosity and ambition and trust. This journey is yours, and we are honored to walk it with you. Together, we have taken the first step towards building a future of empowered, purpose-driven leaders. Let's continue to rise, lead, thrive. Thank you once again. And signing off, this is Jivita from India. Thanks everyone for the wonderful session. Ms. Moumita, once again, thank you for such a great leadership and such a great coaching session for the day today. Thank you, everyone.